Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have hardware verified. Now start the VM build. Install your chosen hypervisor, VirtualBox or VMware, because it handles virtual hardware abstraction. Once done, create a new VM entry, name it, and set the OS type so drivers match. Allocate RAM and cores conservatively, don't starve the host. Point the VM to the downloaded ISO as a virtual CD. Make sure to place virtual disk files in the prepared folder, so backups and snapshots remain organized and easy to find. You're in the middle of installation. Focus on correct hardware mapping. Adjust CPU cores and RAM, enabling virtualization extensions to improve performance because the guest needs direct access to CPU features. Create a virtual disk. Choose dynamically allocated to save host space or fixed for consistent I/O. Set networking. NAT gives internet access without host config. Bridged integrates into the LAN. Boot the VM from the ISO and follow the guest OS installer. You're nearly done. Finish by installing guest editions or VMware tools so drivers, clipboard sharing, and display scaling work properly. Once the VM is stable, take a snapshot and set up regular backups to avoid data loss. If something fails, no network, blank screen, or boot loops, check the VM logs for errors, increase video RAM, toggle secure boot in firmware settings, and ensure virtualization support is enabled in the host BIOS. If necessary, revert to the snapshot and try alternate settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.